Jai Gurudev, Pranam. Hope you all guys are doing good. Well, this I am going to explain you regarding online program regarding awakening of inner energy. So let's start. You might have seen this advertisement or you might have received a small message. So I'm going to explain what this program contains. So first of all, we need a family support because we are going to be locked in our own room. So we need a family support. What we will do and how long it will be? It starts from day 0, that is night. So we will start from night 9 p.m. and next day full day, and next third day early in the morning we will finish up with our 36 hours keeping mum and doing some spiritual practices. You will get a small brochure which contains all the details. The person who knows language Hindi can read it and understand. If a person cannot read Hindi, they can listen our guided meditation and commentaries in Hindi. But a person should know to understand Hindi language. Then you have to be in one room locked. You have to get up early in the morning around 3:45 a.m. approx like near about 4 a.m. and just log in there. You will get guided commentaries, some pranayam, some meditation techniques, and few message regarding Yug Nirman Yojana. Yug Nirman Yojana is a very unique mission which is working for betterment of the society through personal development. So there is some message in Hindi. A person who is related with this mission, what and how they should think, how they should behave in their family, how they should behave in their society. Amritvani, Pandit Shriram Sharma Acharya Puj Gurudev gave us few message. This is also in Hindi, so one has to understand Hindi language. A small program with respect to Param Puj Gurudev's Amritvani, a person do self-analysis. This is similar like confession program. The most important thing, a person do self-analysis. Few music known as Pragya Geet, musical meditation are also there. For all these things, person need a app known as free conference call, and for that you have to register through same app so that we can know who is doing this spiritual practice so that we can guide them. WhatsApp is also there which helps us to communicate. Now let's see how you have to continue this. So you came here by a small message. This message says you step 1, step 2 and step 3. So step 1 is a message, a link which takes you to free conference call app. You can open it in Play Store and download that app and install it. I have already done, so I won't need to do that, but you can go ahead and install it. Open in Play Store, or if you have iPhone, so you can open it in App Store. So this way you can install your application. This is the step 1. Now let's come to the step 2. So let's see what is step 2 is there. It's by touching this link we will go to our app, that is free conference call. So let's have a try by just touching that link. What happens? This links take us directly to the app where you can see that our ID has been absorbed by a particular app and this drop down has come. So you will just call in using Wi-Fi and you will be connected. So now I can see that my app has been installed, and I can see the people here, like my name is there, Mayura Patel is there, Rima Didi is there, and when they talk, you can see that lines are blinking. So this is our app. You can see the active speakers over here and all the participants here. But you won't need during sadhana, during spiritual practices, you won't need all these things. The most important thing is what you need is our resources. Here in these resources, you will get, right now you are seeing registration form. Later on, we will provide you all the information like brochure, frequently asked questions, all these things in the same resources. So this is the most important thing. Now what you have to do, just take this and you will see the registration form is there. You have to fill this registration form. Now let's check it out. I will fill up this form and submit it. So now I have filled the full form. Now I will submit it. Here you can see 1 day online in energy awakening camp registration form for UK. You will get same for America, same for Singapore, something different, internally different, but the message will be the same. So now what's there? Your registration has been completed, but what you have to do, you have to join our WhatsApp group. The link has been provided. Please join this WhatsApp group. So let's see what happens when I touch this link. I have to WhatsApp. So I got the Kuti Pravesh UK May 23 link and I just joined this group. So I am in. I joined my group. So my registration process is now complete. I am here. I can chat right now, but it is not open all the time. You can say from where and all those things. But I think this is for only admin. So later on we might get that this message is for only admin. So I cannot chat right now, but it's okay. I can keep my message ready. Whenever I need it, I can talk. So this was the complete process. Now I'm back on my presentation. As you see, this is 3-step program and all the resources are there. Once again, let's see. I already exited, and after exit also I can see Anta Urja UK program is there for me, and when I touch it, here you can see the resources on the down. On the bottom you can see the resources, and here is the registration form. So registration form is very important. You just need to fill up the form once only, not again and again. So this was the process. So remember, free conference call, registration, WhatsApp, this chat messages, the link is there which take you to the free conference call app. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Have a nice spiritual practice. Just unlock your energy. Be happy. Be a minute. Improve your immunity. Thanks a lot.